Most people get this wrong. They think Flexero is just another payday advance app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Flexero offers a combination of early wage access installment payments and financial tracking features in a single platform. This makes it more than just a quick cash app, it's a tool to manage short-term expenses responsibly. Here's how Flexero works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills or emergencies. Second, you can split eligible purchases into manageable installments over a few weeks, paying a predictable flat fee instead of traditional interest. Flexero also includes dashboards, notifications, and reminders to help track your spending and upcoming payments. This helps reduce late fees and encourages more disciplined use of the platform. The downside, overusing Flexero can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up, and heavy reliance may mask deeper financial challenges instead of solving them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Use repayment reminders to stay organized. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to avoid overdependence. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with regular income or weak repayment discipline could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Flexero in 2026 is a convenient financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical tips for managing your money.